You will form these white papers to find what will happen for next 5 years in education, in healthcare, in bank, or in government. We believe that in next 5 years, every applications will be redesigned by the AI. Everyone, you will have your AI assistants. Every business, every company, you will have your own AI models. What is Huawei? Our AI, what kind of AI solution we can bring here? Our AI strategy is cloud for AI and AI for cloud. And we have 3 important things I want to bring today. The first is our AI models. I don't know that. Do you see that powered by Pangu? Today, this real-time translate is powered by our AI models. In this time, our people tell me that we hope that to the translate not only for English, but also need Swahili language. We just take several days and then make this happen. So for Huawei, our AI models is focused on the industry. We hope that we can help every industry to solve the problem, to find the solution for every kind of a challenge.